Good morning, everyone. Today we will be discussing about intracardiac echogenic focus. The intracardiac echogenic focus was previously considered to be a marker of Down syndrome or trisomy 21. But as the science is evolving, we know that echogenic focus in itself is not a problem to the baby or the baby's heart and does not cause any problem. And if a Down syndrome test is done in the first trimester during the NBNT scan, also known as first trimester screening, and is normal or low risk for Down syndrome, we need not worry about the echogenic focus. However, if the test is not done during the first trimester and echogenic focus is seen during the level 2 scan, we can do a detailed fetal echocardiography and also an NIPT or quadruple screening test to look for any other abnormalities. If there are no other abnormalities, we can continue with the pregnancy like a routine pregnancy and everything will be good. Thank you.